Alright, let's dive into something I find absolutely fascinating. Electrophoretic deposition, or as we call it in the workshop, ED painting. Now you might think painting is just about slapping some color on a surface to make it look pretty, but ED painting is a whole different beast. It's a high-tech process where we use electricity to apply a super even, incredibly durable coating to metal parts. Think of it like a force field for your products. This isn't your average spray can job. It's a sophisticated method that bonds paint to metal on a molecular level, creating a finish that is tough, uniform, and ready to face the world. It's the kind of process that gets me excited because it's where science and making things collide in the most brilliant way. So, why should you care about this fancy painting method? The answer is simple: longevity. We're talking about making things last. The biggest enemy of any metal part is corrosion. That relentless, creeping rust that eats away at steel and turns your beautiful creations into a pile of orange dust. ED painting creates an impermeable barrier that seals the metal off from moisture, salt, and all the other nasty stuff that wants to destroy it. This means products that are ED coated can withstand harsher environments, last years longer, and maintain their structural integrity and appearance. It's the ultimate defense against the slow, destructive march of time and the elements. The secret sauce is how it works. Imagine dipping a metal part into a special paint bath, but this isn't just any paint, it's a solution filled with charged paint particles. We then run an electric current through the part and the bath. Because opposites attract, the charged paint particles are drawn directly to the metal surface, sticking to it like tiny magnets. This process ensures that every single nook, cranny, and hidden corner gets a perfectly uniform layer of paint. It's a level of coverage that you simply can't achieve with spraying, which often misses spots or creates drips and uneven layers. This is precision engineering at its finest. This process isn't just for heavy industry, it's for anyone who values quality and durability. Whether you're manufacturing car parts that need to survive salty winter roads, building furniture that will be passed down through generations, or designing electronic components that need reliable protection, ED coating is the gold standard. It's the difference between a product that looks good on day one and a product that looks good for years to come. It's an investment in quality that pays off by preventing failures, reducing warranty claims, and building a reputation for making things that are built to last. That's the kind of making I can get behind. So, how do we actually pull this off? The ED painting process is a meticulously controlled sequence, a bit like a well-choreographed dance of chemistry and electricity. The first and most critical step is cleaning and pre-treatment. You can't just dunk a dirty part and expect good results. We have to be obsessive about preparation. The part goes through a series of chemical baths to remove every trace of oil, grease, dirt, and old rust. Then, we apply a phosphate conversion coating. This creates a crystalline surface on the metal that not only enhances its corrosion resistance, but also gives the paint something to grip onto. Skipping this step is not an option. A perfect finish begins with a perfectly prepared surface. Once the part is spotlessly clean and pre-treated, it's ready for the main event, the electrocoat bath. The part is submerged in a large tank filled with an emulsion of epoxy or acrylic paint particles and deionized water. The part is connected to an electrode, making it one side of an electrical circuit, while the tank itself holds the other. When we flip the switch and apply a direct current, the magic happens. The paint particles, which carry a specific electrical charge, migrate through the water and are deposited onto the metal surface. It's a beautiful, self-limiting process. As the coating builds up, it acts as an insulator, so the current naturally seeks out the bare, uncoated areas until the entire part is covered flawlessly. After its electric bath, the part emerges dripping, but not with excess paint. The next stage involves a series of rinse baths. This is crucial for removing any undeposited paint solids, what we call drag out, that are just sitting on the surface. These rinses ensure the final finish is smooth and free of defects. Think of it like washing your car. You wouldn't just leave soap suds on it to dry, would you? The rinsed-off paint solids are often recovered and returned to the main tank, which makes the whole process incredibly efficient and environmentally friendly by minimizing waste. It's a smart system that conserves materials and keeps the whole operation clean. The final step in our journey is the bake or cure. The coated part is moved into a large industrial oven and baked at a specific temperature, typically between 300 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. This isn't just about drying the paint. The heat triggers a chemical reaction called cross-linking, which causes the paint molecules to bond together and with the metal itself, forming a hard, durable, and highly protective film. This final bake is what gives the ED coating its signature toughness, flexibility, and resistance to scratches, chemicals, and UV light. When it comes out of that oven, the part is no longer just painted. It has been fundamentally transformed and fortified. Now, knowing the process is one thing, but executing it flawlessly is another. That's where a team like NGUYEN PHONG Company Limited comes in. They don't just go through the motions, they master the craft. Their commitment to quality starts with their team of skilled and professional technicians. These aren't just machine operators, they are experts who understand the nuances of surface treatment. They know that temperature, voltage, and chemical concentrations have to be monitored and controlled with scientific precision. This hands-on expertise ensures that every single piece that goes through their line meets the highest possible standards of quality, consistency, and durability. It's that human element that turns a good process into a great one. At NGUYEN PHONG, following standards isn't a suggestion, it's a core principle of their entire operation. The company is built on a foundation of adhering to stringent quality certifications and environmental standards. This means their processes are not only effective, but also responsible. They understand that modern manufacturing requires a commitment to protecting our planet, so they ensure their waste is treated properly and their methods are as green as possible. Furthermore, they comply with all fire prevention and fighting standards, creating a safe working environment for their team and guaranteeing operational stability. This dedication to compliance gives clients peace of mind, knowing their project is in safe, professional, and responsible hands. The company's reputation is built on more than just promises. It's demonstrated through the tangible quality of their work. They offer options like black ED and clear ED coatings, providing high durability finishes that are both functional and aesthetically pleasing. By using top-tier materials and maintaining their equipment meticulously, they deliver a finish that is consistently flawless. Whether it's a tiny shoe eyelet or a massive pickup truck bumper, the level of care is the same. This unwavering focus on quality is why they have become a trusted partner for so many businesses across Vietnam, delivering reputable service with competitive pricing and nationwide delivery. They make excellence accessible to everyone. What truly sets them apart is their holistic approach to surface treatment. ED painting is a star service, but it's part of a much larger ecosystem of capabilities at NGUYEN PHONG. They also specialize in electroplating, wet electrostatic painting, sandblasting, polishing, and even laser engraving. This comprehensive suite of services means they can handle complex projects that require multiple finishing steps under one roof. A client can have a part fabricated, polished, ED coated, and then laser engraved without ever leaving their facility. This integrated approach simplifies the supply chain, ensures consistent quality control, and showcases their deep expertise in making metal products look and perform their absolute best. So, where can you see this incredible process in action? The answer is, almost everywhere you look. The automotive and motorcycle industry is one of the biggest users of ED painting. Think about all the metal parts on a car or bike that are exposed to the elements. Chassis components, suspension parts, bumpers, and wheel rims. These all rely on ED coating for that critical first layer of defense against rust and corrosion, ensuring the vehicle remains safe and structurally sound for years of use on the road. When you see a car that still looks great after a decade, chances are a high-quality ED coat is working its magic underneath the final color. The applications extend far beyond just vehicles. Look around your home or office. That sleek metal frame on a modern chair, the durable legs of a cast aluminum table, or even the stand for your Samsung TV might be protected by an ED coat. The furniture and interior design industry uses it to create products that are not only stylish but also incredibly resilient to daily wear and tear. Even in electronics, ED coating is used to protect casings for equipment like CNC routers or trays inside a refrigerator, providing both electrical insulation and protection from moisture in one elegant step. It's the unsung hero of durable goods. Even smaller everyday items benefit immensely from this technology. The fashion and garment industry uses ED coating on metal hardware, like shoe eyelets, bag buckles, and zippers. This ensures they don't rust and stain the fabric, even after being washed or exposed to rain. Bathroom and kitchen fixtures, such as those from Linax, are often ED coated to withstand the constant exposure to water and humidity. Even critical safety equipment, like the casings for fire protection systems, relies on this process to ensure they will function flawlessly when needed most. From jewelry to door hardware, ED coating adds value and longevity across an astonishing range of products. If you're a manufacturer, an engineer, or a maker who wants to build products that stand the test of time, you should seriously consider this process. Choosing ED painting is a choice for superior quality, unmatched durability, and long-term value. And if you're looking for a partner to help you achieve that, look no further. The experts at NGUYEN PHONG Company Limited are ready to help. With their deep knowledge, state-of-the-art facility, and commitment to excellence, they can guide you through the process and deliver a finish that will protect your product and enhance your reputation. Contact them today to discuss your project and discover the power of a perfect finish.